Good morning, world.
Good morning, world.
Good morning, world.
We've just abseiled down about 300 feet.
This morning, I'll be going for a ride on this beautiful thing.
And this is where we do mean bombs.
So have a great day, wherever you are.
Have a great day.
Anyways, I gotta get going. Have an awesome day out there, world.
Good morning, world. Right here next to the Waikato River in Taupō. I love this place. This morning's a little mountain bike. This afternoon I'm going to go hang out by the lake, grab a coffee. So wherever you are, I hope you have a good day.